Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Karnox Hero Gaming Chair. You can get this product for about $170. Check out the link in the description. The packaging was very good and the chair arrived without any damages. Everything you need to assemble the gaming chair is included in the package, so you don't need any additional tools. The gaming chair came with a free Karnox mousepad. Assembling the gaming chair is pretty easy and only takes about 15 minutes. If you want to see more details about how to assemble the gaming chair, take a look at my Karnox Defender gaming chair video, the link is in the description. Don't forget to remove the red cap before installing the gas lift. The chair looks really nice and is very comfortable. The only thing I don't like about the gaming chair is the lumbar pillow, because it's too big and not the most comfortable. I already tested the Karnox Defender gaming chair a while ago, but it was too high for me, because it's made for larger build users. The Hero gaming chair is a better fit for me. I tested the gaming chair for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. Even with a big lumbar pillow, it's very comfortable and it looks really good. So if you are looking for a not too expensive but good quality and good looking gaming chair, I would recommend the Karnox Hero gaming chair. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.